Hi, whatever you're doing right now, stop it and ensure you watch this video to the end. This very video. All right, my name is Lekki, the lead consultant at Atos Realty, your real estate consultant that always bring you the juiciest deals around Lekki axis of Lagos. All right, today I'm in Abijo G.R.A inside Choice Garden Estate, where this project you are seeing right behind me is currently going on. So follow me to the end, so as I will be unveiling to you some of the updates we have on this. We call this particular project, this estate, the avocado luxury and smart apartment. All right, this location is Abijo G.R.A. This is just less than 2 minutes drive from the Lekki-Epe Express way. All right, and we have fantastic neighborhood in this axis. We have the Novera Mall ShopRite, we have Lufasi Nature Park, all right, we have Koskai's Motors, we have Good School, CDEC, we have two school here, we have some fantastic school. Caleb International British School is around this place, and this project is located within an existing estate. If you look at my right over there, you can see that is Choice Garden. So this estate is actually within an existing estate. So you are not buying a bush. This is a city. So ensure you watch this video to the end, as I'll be showing you details of the current updates on this project. So follow me. These are blocks of apartments. Here in this estate, we are having 1-bedroom apartment, 2-bedroom apartment, and also 3-bedroom apartment. All standard room size. The last time I was here like a month ago, the level was still at the foundation level. What you are seeing by my left here, the whole project we have here is less than 1 year. See, everything is already getting set in this estate. Beautiful thing you have to consider about this environment is that it's in a very good neighborhood. This is a very good, fantastic neighborhood, great proximity to great investment, and also fantastic estate. Okay, here we have 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom apartments, and there's a flexible payment plan for this project. All you need to do is to deposit between 3 million and 5 million naira. Then you can secure a home here. You might be asking, oh, I've already bought a home. What do you think I can do with all these apartments? Yes, you can do a lot with all these apartments. You can buy and choose to rent them out, and you'll be making rental income yearly, annually in this estate. All right, what can you do with them again? You can use them for shortlets. You equip everywhere, and you'll be using it for shortlet or Airbnb, whereby you'll be making money monthly, daily, weekly in this estate. All right, and with 50% capacity, give it 5 to 10 years, you already made a lot of money here. All right, so ensure you follow me to the end, as I'll be showing you more details. Work keeps going on site. What's the title of this property? You might be asking, Talks, what's the title? The title of the property is Certificate of Occupancy. This property has certificate of occupancy. So in terms of legality, you have nothing to worry about. This is safe for you. When you buy a property like this, every documentation you need to settle down in this estate have been gotten. All right, so in terms of legality, I have the rest of mine. No encumbrances, no money, no government palaver, all approval be gotten. All right, so what are the features you'll be enjoying in this estate? There'll be gym in this estate, there'll be swimming pool, there will be recreational area where you and your loved one, your children, can have fun while you enjoy a quality lifestyle within this estate. All right, every home will be smart home. All right, it's gonna be having smart doors within this estate. You're gonna be have CCTV camera in this apartment, whereby you can monitor your guests that are coming into the apartment. All right, so thank you for watching this video to this point. So let's see what the interior looks like at the moment. For now, we are still under construction. This is just to show and update you. Every of my clients that bought this particular property, just to show them updates, and also for every prospective client that still want to invest here, just to see what it looks like. This property was sold as an upland. So follow me, let's go and see. Yeah, this is sitting room area. All right. Like now we are still under construction, so that's why the site is like this. This is where the kitchen will be located. The kitchen cabinets, gas cooker, extractor, and all that. Let's look at the rooms. The rooms are very big. They are sizable rooms. All rooms en suite. All rooms en suite. Currently, you can see the electricals, and also you can see plumbing work still going on. This is another room. All rooms are sizable. So this is just to show you updates on these projects. What is it going on? This is a sample of 2-bedroom apartment in this estate, so you can be rest assured you are buying a very good project. So all right, thank you. You might be asking, folks, how do I inspect this place? Yes, you can inspect. You can book an inspection via the number on the screen, or you send an email to talksrealty9ja@gmail.com. That 9ja is 9JA as displayed on the screen. All right. You can also call via the number on the screen if you want to see this property live in the rate before they are all sold out. All right. So you can also book like virtual inspection. That is, we can use a WhatsApp video call to also do your inspection if you are not currently in Lagos or you are outside Nigeria. I do that a lot for my clients, so that is not a problem. And your documents, you will get them all. We monitor the process. I ensure you get your property handed over to you. All right, so thank you for watching this video to this point. Please kindly click on the like button, just like this video. Drop your comment, share with your loved one. I know you are so anxious, you want to know the price. All right, so currently the value of a 1-bedroom apartment here is currently selling at 31 naira, and also the value of the 2-bedroom apartment here in this estate currently goes for 41 million naira. And also the 3-bedroom apartment here at the Avocado Luxury and Smart Home in Abijo G.R.A, Lekki, Lagos currently goes for 46 million naira. The beauty of this project is that you can deposit a minimum of 3 million to 5 million naira while you spread your balance up to 2 good years. It's not amazing? You can't get this anywhere around this vicinity. This is the best deal right now. 24-month payment plan, flexible payment plan. Just pay, relax, and you enjoy yourself until your property is finally delivered to you. All right, thank you for watching this video up to this moment. I remain that wonderful real estate consultant guy that always bring you the GCSD all around Lekki Lagos, and I will always stand for you. Thank you for referring people to me all the time. I so much appreciate you. Thank you for always linking me up with different deals, different properties that I always ensure that you do your due diligence before you buy any of this property. This is a safe property for you. Certificate of occupancy, all approval gotten. Location is perfect for you. Good neighborhood. So if you're looking for a place whereby you can enjoy a quality lifestyle with your family, this is where you need to be right now. All right. Thank you for watching my video up to this point. Till next time I come your way, stay healthy and make sure you keep investing in the right real estate. All right, and when you are thinking of investing in real estate in any part of Lagos, you think about Talks Realty. Think about Talks Realty or Latukumbo Factory. And always call me or reach out to me on 0062632198. All right, thank you.